Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to use TikTok live. Now what you need to do is open your TikTok. The next thing you need to do here is
now which kind life way I never
you come to this profile picture here. When you click on it, the can move you. Let me click on it, now it's take you here. And this is where you take your live. Now plus menu button here. Wishes that you want to post. And now this is where you are supposed to go live. Here you can see this is for 10 minutes, this is for 16 minutes, but these are not live. These are just a post. The reason why I'm unable to go live, if I was able to go live after this text button here, there will be a live option here. But TikTok will not be here, will not allow you to go live unless you have up to 1000 followers on your TikTok account. Present now, I think I have like 50 or 25. I just opened a second, so I wasn't able to, and I will not be able to go live with the rules the TikTok laid down. So if you want to go live, make sure you have reached your 1000 followers, and after that, we'll put the process just here after the text here. The live option is going to pop out and you automatically go live. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe and like. Thank you.